Hi everyone, it's Tash and welcome to another Wednesday recipe video. And today we're going to be making chocolate chip Kinako cookies. Timestamps are down below in the description if you want to skip the initial blah blah, but stick around if you want to hear a little bit about what we're making first. This is pretty much just a standard chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe, but with Kinako in it. Kinako is roasted soybean flour, and that's the Japanese word for it, Kinako. In Chinese it's Huangdoufen, and in both Japanese and Chinese dishes it's often served with chewy sticky rice cakes. But it's also fantastic to bake with. By the way, the ko in the word Kinako actually means flour or powder, fen in Chinese. So if you hear anyone saying Kinako flour or Kinako powder, they're actually saying soybean flour. Kind of like when people say chai tea, they're just saying tea, or naan bread. And because it's extra good in cookies, is because it helps the cookies be really soft and chewy on the inside. With most good chocolate chip cookie recipes, you're going to have either corn flour or custard powder, some kind of non-gluten flour in them, as well as the gluten flour, regular wheat flour that is, and that gives the cookie the right balance of structure and softness. In this recipe, the soybean flour actually replaces that corn flour, because obviously soybean flour doesn't have gluten in it, and of course we're using it to flavour the cookies. So with all that said, let's go to the kitchen and see how it's done. First, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees C. To make the cookie dough, we'll need 150 grams of light muscovado sugar, 100 grams of caster sugar, 115 grams of melted unsalted butter which I've let cool down a little bit, and I'm also going to crack in 1 egg. Let's give this a mix. Now we're going to add 120 grams of plain flour and the star ingredient, Kinako. This is 60 grams. We're also going to add half a teaspoonful of baking powder and half a teaspoonful of salt. And I'm also going to add in 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate. This is 70% cocoa solids. You can use any combination of any type of chocolate, by the way, as long as it comes up to 200 grams. Let's give this a stir. Now let's shape our cookies. I just have a small ice cream scoop here. I'm going to take scoopfuls and pop it on a lined tray. Give it a little shape, and let's do that a few times and make sure it has plenty of space to spread out around too. There we are, and we're not going to flatten them, we're going to put them straight in the oven. I'm going to bake them for around 10 minutes. You can bake them from 8 to 12, it depends on how soft and gooey or how crisp and crunchy you want them. I like them somewhere in the middle, so 10 minutes for me. These are looking good. Okay, let's bake our other batches because we have a few more trays to go and let these cool completely. I wish you could smell the gorgeous roasty tasty flavour of that Kinako. Let's split one open. Wow, look at that gooey chocolate. Where did the other bit go? Obviously I ate it. I have no self-restraint. I have no apologies. Cheers! Perfection. The right amount of crispy on the outside, chewy and soft on the inside, plenty of chocolate, plenty of roasty tasty Kinako flavour. Check out that texture as well. Ooh, plenty of chocolate inside. Like I said, you can use any combination of chocolate you want as long as it comes up to 200 grams. Chop it chunkily so you have nice big veins of chocolate going through it. Quite often actually Kinako is paired with white chocolate, but I think the nuttiness does lend itself really well to darker chocolates too. Use all 3 chocolates if you want. Make it a triple chocolate Kinako cookie. So there you go, chocolate chip Kinako cookies. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video and I hope you'll join me next Wednesday for my next one. Get the full written recipe on my blog tashcakes.com, follow me on Instagram, I'm tashcakes.tastes, and find me on TikTok too, I'm tashcakes there too, but my handle is food in slow motion. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. Give this video a like if you liked it to help other people find it. Comment down below if you'd like me to make anything in particular, and I'll see you all next time. Be good, be nice, and have a good week. My hair's a really weird shape today.